So here's just another quick sneaker video for everyone. I like to make sneaker videos on all the different shoes in my collection. So right now at the time of filming it's at 149 pairs. So this is just a quick look around at this pair here, which is really old and yellowing, as you can see. This is a pair all the way from 2007. It's a pair of Air Jordan Spizikes in a varsity red and white pattern with some elephant print on it. These are really rare and really old now. So this pair I've had in my collection since 2021. This is my second pair of Spizikes. I also have the 2012 pair of red Spizikes. Those are really nice in the suede. So that pair I wear quite a lot, but this pair can't really be worn much anymore due to its age and condition, yellowing on the soles and all that. But they are just really nice to have in a collection because they are so unique, and when people see these, they're like, wow, that's a really old pair, and people don't know about these Spizikes. A lot of the younger sneakerheads only know about the modern shoes. They don't know about the colorways and stuff on the old stuff, so that's kind of history. But they are a really nice pair of shoes. Back in the day, in the prime, these would have been just a gorgeous summer pair of shoes. The way the reds on it and all that, these would be just a slick pair. And the quality on these is better than the modern Jordans. I've noticed these compared to my modern Jordan Spizikes, Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s, whatever you compare them with. The stitching and stuff is better quality. There was no glue stains. There was nothing. This shoe is cheaper back then than the modern Jordans are today, and just the quality was a lot better. Even the fact that these are from 2007, these are still, even though you can see they're falling apart, they're holding up a lot better than my modern Jordans are. I've got some Jordans from recent years that are just already falling apart and have been worn a lot less than these. But this is just such a cool pair. The age on these, it's so different from the modern ones. They really should just re-release this Jordan Spizike again, specifically this. This is really nice. I haven't seen a good colorway of the Spizikes come out in a while, so this would be a good place for them to start. This pair even has a really cool inside. The pattern on it is just so cool. A lot of people don't like the Spizikes though, because they're not considered a retro. They're considered a hybrid shoe. But then again, there are people that really do like them. So I think if you're gonna wear Jordans, go for them. I think they're a great shoe. So that was just my quick little video showing you the Jordan Spizikes. Please subscribe to see more of my shoe collection. I've got a lot of wild pairs. I've got a whole playlist on my different shoe collection. Check it out and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.